The One UI 9 update is expected to be one of Samsung's most refined and intelligent software upgrades yet, building on the foundation of Android 17 to deliver a smoother, smarter, and more customizable Galaxy experience. The update is likely to introduce cleaner visual elements, more fluid animations, and deeper personalization options across the lock screen, home screen, and system UI. A major focus is expected to be enhanced Galaxy AI features, including smarter photo editing tools, improved text suggestions, real-time translations, and productivity enhancements integrated into Samsung apps. Performance optimizations should bring better memory management, faster app launching, and improved gaming stability, while upgraded battery management aims to reduce background drain and extend daily usage. Privacy and security are also anticipated to receive stronger controls, giving users more transparency over app permissions and data access. Overall, One UI 9 is shaping up to be a polished, feature-packed update designed to make Galaxy devices feel faster, more intelligent, and more premium across the board.